Now Ken had took his debit card because I was just swiping and swiping. I think I'm gonna get it back today.
Let me see your twerk off. Get to the flow, ain't no time to run.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by SunberHair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. It is also SipNSlay, but you see it, okay? The Invisalign is in right now, so drink for me, please. Thank you. Now, before we get into this glueless, hold on, let me show you, okay? Glueless upstyle that I installed with some Bobbi pins. Y'all hear that clicking sound? That's a Bobbi pin. Yeah, before we get into that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from SunberHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. We're going to do an upstyle today, but before we do that, we got to get this wig together. They did send me the Waterwave texture. I don't do this texture a lot just because I like me more of a curly look on me, but the Waterwave can definitely be really cute. So we're going to go ahead and try that out today. Now, I'm not going to wash my wig today just because of time constraints, but I will tell you this wig is funky. So you will want to wash it out the pack using your dish soap or your wig shampoo, whatever you got to use. I'm going to give mine a little whole bam, okay, because you know, again, time constraints. So I'm gonna use my dry shampoo to get that smell out first. I douse that joint, and then I'm gonna spray it down with some water. This is just a masking, okay? It is not meant for longevity. So again, make sure you wash your wig, okay? I need to cut off the lace in the back. It does come with the long baby hairs. I may just use those around my hairline to give me like a little wispy look, but it doesn't have an elastic band. Sunber, everybody's giving me the elastic band, and then here you come with nothing. I just like the band for security, but we're gonna still use it without the band. So for those of y'all who don't get bands in your wig, or if you happen to be missing one, you can definitely use the straps in the back. These adjustable straps, these are the oldie but goodie joints. If your wig is too big, you can tighten it down by adjusting the straps over here, or you can crisscross these straps and then hook them in, or you can hook these together. You can do the no gap hack that I showed on my channel. I'll put that video down below and in the card so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm gonna see how this is fitting on my head first before I try to do any of that, so I can make sure I'm not gonna get a concussion while I'm wearing this wig. Ooh, it fits real. Oh, wait a minute, it fits pretty good. Y'all see how it was like bouncing back to my head? That's a good fit. So this wig is definitely big head frilly. My head is 23 inches. Some of y'all don't be believing me, so let me go ahead and just measure it for y'all real quick so you can get off my case. I don't know why y'all don't want me to have a big head, but I have a big head. Tight, 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 yep, and right on over, okay? So it's just before the 23. That's how I want my wigs to fit. So I need my wigs to fit around here. And that's what my hair flat. Now, if my hair is not flat under my wig, it's gonna be a lot bigger than that. I feel like I'll be good to go if I just go ahead and style it up first and then tint it later. Get this lace off right here. I feel like I haven't done this in a while. All these pre-cut wigs have spoiled your girl. So I feel like I'm lost in the sauce cutting this lace off. Because the hairline will more than likely be down, the way I'm gonna kind of switch the hairs around my hairline, I don't gotta worry about having too much lace to hide. I don't have no plans to glue this wig down, but I may put on my wig grip later on. As right now, I'm just gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline, 2 pumps like that. Again, this is a Waterwave, so I don't expect the hairs to be super curly. Not too much in my face. They did send me a band because they know I love the bands. Pin this up really quick. All right. Here we go. Now, like I said, this is a Waterwave texture, so it's not gonna take long at all to get these curls together. This color is really pretty. I'm using the same mousse. Fast fashion wigs will give you the trends, they'll give you the colors. They just won't give you any of the extras, so like the hairline, the plucking, the bleaching of the knots, anything like that. But they'll give you the trends and the colors. They'll also give you some discounts, whether it's coupon codes or points, they will give you that. Sunber used to do 1 point for every $1 you spent, but now they're doing 5 points for every dollar you spend. So if you spend $200, that means you got what, 1,000 points? Is that what that is? Public math, I don't know. Every $1 you spend on SunberHair, you will get 5 points. And then you can use those points to get discounts on your wig. So if you buy this wig today, on your next purchase, as long as you make an account, you know, track your rewards, you will get a discount on your wig. So I would say go ahead and jump on that. These are fast fashion brands. Get what you can out of them because you're not gonna get the high quality. Rub that all in. Where's my brush? Right in my face. I am getting some shedding with this wig. It's not tangling though, so that's good. If I work it around my finger, what happens? I mean, it kind of gives it a little curl. So I'll do a little something like that. I'm gonna scrunch it like that. Mousse all over. If I wanted to just rock this wig out the pack, I could definitely just do my little whole bath real quick, brush the hair, and still do the same up style. But I wanted to define my curls just a little bit. Get my ends together. Okay, scrunch that side up like this. Curl some of these around the finger just to get a little, just for a little razzle dazzle. Nothing, you know, it's nothing crazy. Even though I do show a lot of curly wigs and I walk you through the process, some people still just can't get it yet. And I understand it's a whole process to learn how to style your curly wigs. So if you want something like a curly look, but not having to do what I do to my curly wigs, definitely try out a Waterwave texture. Let me go ahead and diffuse the hair and we'll come back and we will style it up in our, you know, in our up style. Okay, be right back. Okay, y'all, this is gorgeous. I love this color on me already. Now, it may look a little different when I take this band off, so let's go ahead and do that right now before I change my mind about liking this wig. All right, I can work with this. No plucking. These long hairs in the front, I'm gonna use those to my advantage when I do the up style. But if you don't want those, you can cut them off or just push them back into the hairline like that. If you don't want to do an up style, you can literally stop right here. But I want to fluff it up because the hair is a little crunchy thanks to that product, because again, I did not wash the hair, so the product is pretty much sitting on the hair. There was no barrier between the hair and the mousse. This side came out better than this side, but it's okay. I do need to blend my lace. I'm just use my excess contour because I need to contour around my forehead anyway. Let me put my glasses over the lace. Oh, there we go, like that. Yeah, you see it, or do you? Oh wait, you do. So cute, so cute. I don't even want to do an up style because it's so cute down. I mean, I'm gonna do it anyway because y'all be asking me how to do my up styles even though I have a playlist, but I'm gonna show you again. Let me clip up the hair in the back first. I'm gonna put my band back on just to hold the wig in place. Now, I'm literally just gonna pull the hair up into a ponytail. I have a like a little ponytail holder thing. Where is it? I'm gonna try to use this. It might be a little loose, but we gonna see together, okay? Let me see, this one may work better because the hair is not too thick. Oh, I need some water. These Invisalign, my Invisalign be giving me cotton mouth, god dang. But I wanna try these banana clip things that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna see which one I like better. I'm just gonna pull all the hair up like so. Let me scooch down a little bit so you guys can see. Pull it all up like that. All right, let me just pin it up like that. Then I'm gonna take this little banana clip, not banana clip, it's like a, I guess it is banana clip. Take that little banana clip, get all the hair in there. Clip it to the front, like that. Then I'm gonna take off the elastic band, and I'm gonna grab my bobby pins now, because I need to make sure the hair is situated how I want it. So make sure it's around my hairline correctly, and pull some of that down. Pull this one right here down, because I want the messy look. Hold up. I wanna heighten this a little bit more, so I'm gonna put it in a ponytail right on the top of here. Just like this. Like that. There we go. I'm gonna pull down some of the hairs in the back to cover up my nape. So I'm just pulling, okay? Making it a little messy back there. Pull, pull, pull. Pull the hair down. If I had on my wig grip, I can just attach the bobby pins to my wig grip. I don't have that on right now, and I don't feel like I need it, to be honest, so I'm gonna leave it. Then I'm gonna take my bobby pin. Of course, it'll look better if I have the brown ones, but I don't, so I'm gonna use my black. Pull the hair down flat. Bobby pin the wig to your nape. Again, if you're wearing your wig grip, you would bobby pin it to the wig grip, just for a little extra security. Bobby pin it to the nape. If you don't wear glasses and you need extra security around your ear, all you do is pull it down, take your bobby pin, gonna bobby pin it behind your ear, going towards the front of the wig. There we go. Hold your ear down, bobby pin it behind your ear, and push the bobby pin towards the front of the wig. If I wanna bring out some curls right here in the front, I could definitely do that. Let me just put some mousse on this one because it's not really curling the way I want it to. Here we go. Put some mousse right here on this one. Work that in. Scrunch it up. If you want the hair to be curled in the back, just add some mousse to it. Okay, scrunch it up like this. Bring some of these hairs down in the front. Make sure they how I want them to be. And that is pretty much how we are sitting. Now really quick, I did go in and put extra bobby pins right here on the side, as you can see right here. I just pinched the hair up and put the bobby pin in. I just wanted it to be a little bit fuller at the top with more, you know, cascading down. The wig is still up, but those bobby pins got me secure. Okay, the side profile is given. This looks good. Let me come closer so y'all can see this hairline and this lace blended in pretty daggone good. Now I'm hoping when I step outside, it'll give me exactly what I need it to give me, but under these lights, it's looking pretty daggone good. And clearly you can see by Exhibit Slay, you don't need a 360 wig or lace in the back to make your wig look like this, okay? This color for me is perfect. I have tried other color wigs similar to this one, and sometimes it does look a little off because it may be too much blonde or too much brown in the wig. This is the perfect match for my skin tone when it comes to this color with the peanut butter highlights. Again, this is a fast fashion brand, but they do offer you the colors and the points for the discount. So I would call that an even trade. That's just me. Now Ken had took his debit card because I was just swiping and swiping. I think I'm gonna get it back today. Hello. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to SunberHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, be sure to smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.